China says it wants peace with India, but the Pentagon is sounding an alarm. Behind Beijing's smiles lies a strategy that targets India's land, arms India's enemies, and prepares for a far more dangerous future. This is why the Pentagon's latest report should worry New Delhi. A new US Department of War report to Congress has flagged developments that are deeply concerning for India. China's growing obsession with Arunachal Pradesh, its rapid nuclear expansion, and its tightening military coordination with Pakistan. On paper, tensions may look lower along the India-China border. But beneath the surface, Beijing appears to be playing a far more dangerous game. According to the Pentagon, China is deliberately reducing tensions along the line of actual control, not out of goodwill, but to drive a wedge between India and the United States. Beijing wants to prevent the deepening of New Delhi-Washington ties, plain and simple. But here's where it gets more concerning. The Pentagon report explicitly states that China now considers Arunachal Pradesh part of its core interests, the same category reserved for Taiwan. Let that sink in. Beijing calls India's northeastern state, Jiangnan, the southern part of Tibet. And according to the US assessment, core interests are territories China will never negotiate or compromise on. This isn't a border dispute anymore. This is China claiming sovereign ownership of Indian territory. Now, while Beijing extends olive branches to New Delhi, it is simultaneously flooding Pakistan with advanced weaponry. The Pentagon confirms that as of May 2025, China delivered 20 of 36 J-10C multi-role fighter jets to Pakistan. These aren't defensive weapons. China has also supplied strike-capable Kai-Hong and Wing-Lung combat drones to Islamabad. But the weapons are just the visible threat. US War Department assessments reveal something far more sinister. China and Pakistan are conducting coordinated grey zone operations against India. These are coercive tactics designed to pressure India without triggering open war. According to various reports, during Operation Sindoor in May, when Pakistan launched strikes and drone attacks against India, China was allegedly operating in the shadows, providing intelligence support, cyber warfare capabilities, electronic surveillance, and information warfare assistance. While there is no official confirmation from Pakistan, China, or India for obvious diplomatic reasons, US intelligence sources consider this assessment credible. The Pentagon describes Pakistan as China's pressure valve against India, a low-risk tool to keep New Delhi distracted, weaken India-US defense ties, and test hybrid warfare strategies. And if you think this pressure campaign stops at borders and proxy wars, it does not. China is rapidly expanding its nuclear arsenal, adding approximately 100 warheads every year. The Pentagon estimates China had over 600 nuclear warheads by the end of 2024, and projects this number will reach 1,000 by 2030, deployable on missiles, submarines, and bombers. The message from Washington is clear. China's handshake with India is a tactical pause, not a strategic shift. While India talks peace, Beijing arms New Delhi's adversaries, claims India's land, and builds military muscle to back it up. India must remain vigilant. The smiles are temporary, the threats are permanent. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.